egress door, steps coming up to the landing, no handrail. By some jurisdictions this is not required, but for home inspectors you're allowed to call this. I called this out for sure. Need a handrail here. That's what that hand is. It's in the wintertime. I'm wearing a glove. We had a structural problem at this egress landing. The concrete top was connected to the masonry of the house, so this didn't move, but the masonry structure, the foundation underneath the porch, settled downwards, so you get this leaning, too much of a slope, big open gap you can see, settlement going downwards, movement going away from the house, pulling the concrete slab of the landing away from the house. From the other side, it's great to take pictures from either side, both sides. And there's movement, so they filled it in with some concrete here, but the porch and the landing obviously settled downwards. And why not? I'm here. Digital pictures are free. Just take them. Set your camera to the lowest quality settings. You can snap a lot of pictures in sequence. And this is a picture of worn out paint. And this is a picture of the porch structure above the middle structure. And that was the storm door there. This is the main interior door, and I took a picture of the worn out area. It's just worn out. And it's hard to describe that in a narrative. What would you say? Worn out? It just doesn't cut it. So taking a picture really describes what is involved to get this door back up to speed, so to speak. Here's a picture of a landing and steps. A lot of things are loose here. Masonry, mortar joints, big stone step. Something's going on with the front wall, the concrete. There's this big gap here. Something's out of level. The steps are sloped. They're made out of brick. They're not tied in all that well. It looks great from afar, but when you get up close, digital pictures really help explain things. Just in one shot, there's a bunch of defects here. Space between the spindles or any kind of board at the railing or guard. Doesn't have to be spindles, doesn't have to have a ladder effect. Just a 4-inch sphere here can pass through very easily. And there aren't any spindles here. 4 3/8 here, 4 inches here. This is going up to an attic. No handrail on the attic steps. I would recommend it, at least one. An attic that's floored with carpeting on it, has painting, like children play up here. I definitely would recommend at least one handrail. Here's a thumb latch. It's not an interior key deadbolt. Doesn't need special knowledge, doesn't need any tools, doesn't need a key, so it passes. Another thumb latch, that's good. It's a great fix to interior key deadbolts. Winder stairs. I need a minimum of 6 inches. Remember, at least a handrail somewhere. Some of these are so tight they're kind of like spiral staircases, so they would put a vertical handrail here. Anything to grab onto. You got to grab onto something. This tread is cracked. You can see you need a minimum of 6 inches at the narrowest edge.